How you doing, guys? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a really nice 71 LeMans Sport Convertible. It's a complete numbers matching car. It's painted a beautiful night watch blue, white interior, white convertible top. Just a beautiful car. Top's new. It's got the glass back window. All the gaps, very nice on this car. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. Really like this car with the white interior and a white top. Very classy, cool car. Got the color match, Rally 2s. It's got power disc brakes in the front, factory, power steering, factory air conditioning, blows cold, 350 4-barrel. See, the grills all look real nice, bumpers. It's a little windy out today. You'll have to again, this is an all original panel car. Come out of Georgia, super clean. Got the in-dash tach, factory, AM/FM stereo, bucket seats, center console. Door jambs all real nice, clean, nicely painted. Certain lights, this car looks black. That's how dark this blue is. See the top boot? Original jack, spare. Trunk floor all looks real good. All the interior in the car looks like brand new. There's no cracks, anything in the dash. They did nice trio gauges under the dash, mounted them real nice. It's got the comfort weave seats. Super cool car, guys. And it's really hard to find a nice convertible, especially one with factory air. Fires right up. Nice, quiet running. Beautiful car. Super, super cool car, guys. A nice dual exhaust out the back. Got the dual tips. Backup lights, everything works. Super, super cool car, guys. Again, you can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day.